3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Go! 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
My name is Colin. I am 29 years old. I'm originally from Guyana in South America, but I currently work and live in Bahrain. Dragon Boat is all about family and teamwork. On our team, we have people from all over the world.
Ano ang benepisyo ng full training para sa iyo?
Ang full training sa akin ay dito tinuturo sa amin yung paano ang proper execution.
Did you enjoy doing full training?
Yes, we enjoy it through the full training. It's nice.
What are your struggles doing full training?
It's nice questions. It's nice, this one good, a little stronger than the sea water and the boats. Because this one is not moving, water is stuck. And the sea water is move and the boat is moving, it's a little easier.
In Dragon Boat sport, we really need to learn how to swim. In case any accident may happen, like when the boat will capsize, safety first. Everybody should learn how to float and how to swim as well.
So right here we have Japs. He's one of the members of E-Paddlers Club. And the first question for Japs is, what do you think is the advantage, or is there any disadvantage in resistance training or weightlifting in terms of, paddling or dragon boating?
Sa tingin ko, lahat magandang siya. Disadvantage is lahat umi-improve siya sa katawan natin at gusto ko yung same silang lahat na exercise kasi maganda sa katawan natin, maganda sa posture natin, lalo na number one is nakakatulong sa health natin.
Right, so we have here Mr. Tingay.
Hello, sir. Good morning.
Ray. He's one of the members as well of E-Paddlers. And the first question is Ray,
Yes,
So what do you like the most in doing gym training or resistance training? In lifting weights? Ano yung gusto mong programa sa pagbubuhat mo yun?
Ang gusto ko kasi dyan para sa power natin. Parang ano kasi yan so, CrossFit ang tinuturo nyo sa amin. Yung kami malakas.
So yeah, Jimin, what do you think is the advantage, or if there's any disadvantage of full training?
Connect up. There is a lot. A lot mean first I get practically I can learn the technique, how to paddle exactly before going to the action plan. Okay, so I can learn especially like a power law. Okay, first I don't know the movement. Now I can learn the movement to how to move the body, belly, and then the rotation. So there's a lot of things. So different in the sea and different in the pool.
My name is Pedro, 27 years old. I'm originally from the Bay Area, California. I was introduced to E-Paddlers by my boy, Filipino Jay, who one day at work just told me he had started paddling. So I found it interesting and I decided to take a chance with the team. And after that, it's been nothing but fun. Basically, we're getting ready for a competition in 2-3 weeks from now.
By the way, I am Coach Royal from Philippines. We started created on E-Paddlers was on November 19, 2021. It was COVID time. So while COVID, we're doing some sport, water sports and outdoor. It's a good benefits for our health. Actually, the E-Paddlers is an evolution of paddlers. Like we created like two type of technique, like new generation of dragon boats. As a coach, we create some different type of training. So every like for example, every Saturday we do land training for endurance, and by Monday we do gym training for muscle and power strength. And every Wednesday we do swimming for survival training, and every Friday we do rowing for dragon boat technique. And I encourage everyone to join our team most of all, you guys are welcome. Anytime, just contact us and you're most welcome. Hope to see you soon, guys.